In primetime news this evening, sexual harassment culture. Psychologist and women's rights group speak in part 2 of harassment on taxes. Not this bill. Committee examining new sexual harassment bill concerned it offers no recourse for harassment in public places. And Clarendon police widen search for missing teacher Natalie Dawkins. We have the latest. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Grief. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Just Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you think there is need for more public education on the National Identification System NIDS? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet at televisionjam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.